Stay in your places, please. We're beginning your emergency services in soon. So stay where you are, please.
Your left. About 2,000 of these built, some abroad. Many modified, came back, modified to later variants. Rolls-Royce Avon, supersonic, almost without limitation. Early changes to the wing design and the addition of a fuselage air brake improved the handling. Some of my friends did engine out landings in these, but the Avon, a remarkable engine, the Rolls-Royce Avon. That is such a beautiful airplane. Notice the humidity in the atmosphere. For the first time, we've seen some cloud forming off the wings. Ooh.